folding knives aren't always necessary for daily carry. Fixed blades are now a dependable choice for people who choose simplicity, strength, and dependability without moving parts. EDC fixed blades are more advanced than ever in 2025, with small forms, high-quality steels, and carry alternatives that are comfortable and blend in with everyday life. These blades provide cutting power in a compact, reliable design, making them suitable for both basic neck knives and multi-purpose belt companions. 10 of the top EDC fixed blade knives available in 2025 are included in this list, ideal for outdoor use, everyday chores, and everything in between. The Schrade SCHF34 is a no-nonsense fixed blade that delivers serious performance in a compact package, ideal for EDC and outdoor use. Featuring a 3.75-inch 65mm high-carbon steel blade with a durable black powder coat, it offers dependable edge retention and corrosion resistance. The drop point profile and full flat grind make it versatile for slicing, food prep, carving, and light baton work. Built full tank for maximum strength, the knife is balanced and sturdy for the tasks that matter. Its textured G10 handle scale provides a secure grip even in wet or gloved conditions and includes a lanyard hole for carry customization. At just over 7.5-inch overall and weighing about 6 ounces, the SCF34 remains compact and easy to carry. The molded polymer sheath adds to the appeal with its belt loop retention system and optional MAL compatibility, whether out in the backcountry or handling everyday chores. The Schrade CHF34 is a reliable and affordable workhorse you can count on. The CRKT Bev Edge Fixed is a sleek, no-nonsense EDC fixed blade designed for maximum utility in a compact package. It features a 2.54 in a US 8 stainless steel blade with a practical bevel point design, perfectly suited for slicing, everyday cutting, and light survival tasks. The blade's high neckline and flat grind enable precise control and comfortable utility work. Built with a full tang profile and durable stainless steel handle, the Bev Edge offers a secure, ergonomic grip that performs well in wet or harsh conditions. It comes with a molded Kydex sheath that supports versatile carry options, including net carry with the included bead chain or belt attachment using optional accessories. Whether you're prepping meals, opening packages, or tackling outdoor tasks, the CRKT Bev Edge Fix is a dependable and lightweight blade ready to handle everyday challenges. The Off-Grid Knives Raptor Neck Knife is a compact, purpose-driven fixed blade built for EDC, backup defense, and outdoor reliability. With a 2.5-inch D2 tool steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention and durability, making it ideal for everyday cutting, slicing, and light-duty survival tasks. The aggressive modified Tonto profile enhances piercing power while maintaining a robust tip for tough jobs. Full tang construction ensures rock-solid strength, while the textured G10 handle scales offer a secure non-slip grip even in wet or gloved conditions. Its ergonomic shape allows for precise control and comfortable handling despite its minimalist size. Weighing just a few ounces, the Raptor disappears under your shirt with the included custom molded Kydex sheath and ball chain, making it a discreet yet dependable net carry option. Whether you're on a hike, running daily errands, or just want a compact blade within reach, the Off-Grid Raptor delivers tactical reliability in a sleek EDC form. The Chi VV Varius is a standout compact fixed blade that merges EDC practicality with tactical readiness in a sleek, customizable design. With a 3.75-inch D2 steel drop point blade hardened to 5,961 HRC, it delivers outstanding edge retention and corrosion resistance. Great for slicing, utility tasks, and light-duty survival work. Weighing just 2.55 ounces and measuring 7.87-inch overall, the Varius is lightweight and easy to carry. Its full tank construction ensures durability, while the G10 handle scales offer a solid grip day after day. One unique feature, an interchangeable ring handle, lets you choose between a standard grip or a tactical ring for enhanced retention and control. The included Kydex sheath is M-compatible and clip-ready, making it convenient for neck, belt, or gear attachment. Designed by Alan Elliswitz, the various blends form, function, and customization, making it a versatile EDC and tactical fixed blade you won't mind carrying every day. The QSP Neckmuck fixed blade knife blends classic design with modern practicality, making it a standout EDC and neck knife option. Inspired by the traditional Nesmuck blade shape, it features a 2.625-inch 14C28N stainless steel blade that delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and slicing performance in a compact form. Its sweeping belly and curved spine make it great for skinning, food prep, and utility tasks. The full-tang construction ensures solid durability, while the G10 handle scales provide a secure, ergonomic grip even in wet conditions. Despite its compact size, the Neckmuck offers a comfortable 3-finger hold for excellent control during precise cutting tasks. It comes with a molded Kydex sheath and neck chain for lightweight, discreet carry. Whether you wear it around your neck or attach it to your gear, the QSP Neckmuck is a reliable, stylish fixed blade ready for everyday use, outdoor adventures, and everything in between. The Tops Knives 3-pointer is a compact and rugged fixed blade knife built for hunters, outdoor enthusiasts, and EDC users who value performance in a small package. With a 2.75-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade, it offers impressive cutting power and edge retention for its size. The modified drop point design makes it versatile for precision tasks. Whether you're field dressing game, carving wood, or handling everyday chores, its ergonomic canvas micar to handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip even in wet or slippery conditions. The full-tang construction enhances strength and durability, giving you confidence in demanding environments. It comes with a custom Kydex sheath and belt clip, allowing for a variety of carry options, including neck, scout, or vertical carry. Designed with utility and simplicity in mind, the Tops 3-pointer delivers big performance in a small footprint, making it an ideal choice for minimalist carry or backup blade scenarios. The Cold Steel Urban Edge is a compact push dagger designed for discreet, everyday carry and personal defense. Featuring a 2.5 in 8A US 8A stainless steel blade, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and easy maintenance while delivering razor-sharp cutting power. The double-edged spear point design excels at both piercing and slashing, making it effective in high-stress situations. What sets the Urban Edge apart is its ergonomic T-shaped cryaxe handle, which provides a secure, non-slip grip and allows for instinctive, natural control during use. Its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to conceal and comfortable to carry for extended periods. The included Secure X sheath offers versatile mounting options, whether around the neck or on your belt or gear. Ideal for those seeking a small yet formidable self-defense tool. The Cold Steel Urban Edge combines practicality with tactical efficiency in a minimalist, nonsense package.